If you're looking for a new hob, let's make sure you know everything you need to about power supply before you go ahead and buy. Some ceramic or induction hobs will come with a mains plug, but most need hardwiring by a qualified engineer. When it comes to gas models, a gas supply should lead to where the hob will sit. You'll also need an electricity supply to ignite a flame, so there'll need to be a power socket or cooker point within 1.2 meters. For a full installation, you'll need a gas engineer and an electrician. But don't worry, you can simply add our installation service to your order, and we can sort it for you. Our qualified electricians and gas engineers will be able to supply up to 1.5 meters of gas piping if you need it. While hobs are usually found above your oven, you'll have the freedom to pop it over a kitchen drawer, cupboard, or on a kitchen island. Just make sure you have the power supply or gas feed in place before our experts arrive, so it can be installed without any snags. If you have a pacemaker and are thinking about an induction hob, we recommend you check with your doctor first, as the induction tech can interfere with pacemakers.